Welcome to the October 13th report of Vista Point. When I was getting ready, I was kind of hurrying so that I could avoid getting rained on. So I quickly got my dry suit on and got in the water. Fortunately, I didn't get rained on getting ready, and the dive was pretty uneventful, so this is going to be somewhat of a shorter report. The visibility was okay. I would say it's between 5 to 15 feet throughout most of the dive. When I did get down near Jason, it got significantly murkier. And I'm sure you're all tired of hearing it, but the camera picks up a lot more than what I saw. Unlike previous videos, I had a moisture packet stuck in the lens. When I went to put the camera in the lens, the moisture packet was missing and I couldn't figure out where it was, but it was actually inside the lens and I missed it. So on the back of the lens was those two moisture absorbers. So part of the readjusting of the camera position was to avoid that white absorption packs. But as you can see, as I'm getting deeper, the visibility is dropping. And we'll take a look at Jason. Actually, Marte and I gave Jason a facelift this past weekend. Not only did he get a new mask, but he also got a machete. And on the trip up, it was pretty uneventful, so I'm gonna speed past this up until we get to the poker table again. This was kind of a long trip, even though I sped it up. And when we get to the poker table, there is a school of fish that I completely missed. I didn't even see it. Not sure if I was not looking straight ahead when I got here or what. But I completely missed that school of fish. And if you look at the dive profile, I ended up staying right here for a while. I created a stone trail to tie the end of the line to the poker table. So when you go down the line and you get to the end of the line, there's a series of boulders, series of stones that are in a line that leads right to the poker table. So for those who might get lost between the end of the line and the poker table, this should help you go right to the poker table. So this was a one-handed deal since my left hand was holding the camera. And then I head up to the surface. A pretty uneventful trip. I was expecting it to be raining when I surfaced, but even at this point it felt pretty bright. If you notice the post, the cap system is pumping water into the lake. So maybe we'll see the elevation of the water rise a little bit. But that is my report. Thank you.